Every child dreams of having their own heroes and heroines. Our DollMaker can help them create a unique hero or heroine of their own design. To begin, simply open the DollMaker and click Start. For first-time users, please select Download. You'll be presented with two themes, Human and Beast. Click one model you like, and you will find a design interface. You can rotate the model to check the overall effect. Click Initial button to straighten the model. In the lower right corner you'll find a selection of parts divided into 3 columns. The first is for Human, Beast and Custom. The second for the corresponding characters and the third for spare parts. You can change the model by dragging parts you like onto the model. You can delete the parts you don't like. Click on the Undo button to return to the previous step. With these 2 buttons, you can change the angle of the parts or check the whole model. If you want to change the color of a part, just choose a color you like and click on it. You can zoom in or out the model to check details. Click Tick to see the finished model. There are 2 export options for the joint. Choose the one you like. Then you can choose a background that you like. At the bottom you'll find 5 action buttons. When you're done, click the Print button to print the model. Get ready to create your own heroes and heroines.